afternoon, welcome to Matalan Restaurant. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to book a table for a birthday dinner. We have about 10 people.
Great, let me check first. For the birthday event, we have 3 packages. For the first package is basic package that you get 3 course meals. It costs 200,000 rupiah per person. And for the second package is celebration package. You got 4 course meals plus soft drinks plus birthday cake, and it costs 350,000 rupiah per person. And then for the plus package, we have premium package. You get 5 course meals, drinks, cake, and simple decoration. It costs 500,000 rupiah per person.
What kind of vegetarian food do you have?
For example, our vegetarian lasagna is made with spinach, zucchini, mushrooms, ricotta cheese, and homemade tomato sauce.
Sounds good. And what's in the premium main dish?
One of our premium mains is grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce, served with mashed potatoes and salted veggies. The salmon is marinated with herbs and cooked fresh.
Okay, we'll take the celebration package. Can we book for Saturday at 6 p.m.?
Yes, that's available. May I have your number and may I know your name?
Sure, I'm Adele. My number is 012345678.
Thank you, Mrs. Adele. You are booked for 10 people, Saturday at 6 p.m. And then you choose celebration package. We will confirm everything 2 days before.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. We look forward for your celebrating event.
Good afternoon, welcome to Matalan Restaurant. How can I assist you?
Good afternoon. We'd like to make a dinner reservation for New Year's Eve, please.
Certainly, miss. May I know for how many people?
For 3 people, please, myself and my friends.
Alright, thank you. May I know for your name and the preferred time?
The reservation will be under Elisa, and we'd like to come at 7:30 p.m.
Perfect. We still have our table available. Would you prefer indoor or outdoor seating?
Outdoor, please. I love to enjoy the fireworks.
Excellent choice. During New Year Eve, we're serving special celebration menu, including grilled salmon, roasted chicken, and also the vegetarian pasta.
That sounds good, but I don't eat chicken. Could I request something else?
Of course, miss. We can prepare the grilled tofu steak or mushroom risotto as the replacement. Our chef can handle specific dietary requests.
Nice. What about drinks and the appetizer?
For appetizer, we have the Caesar salad and pumpkin soup. As for the drinks, our best seller is the sparkling lime mojito and tropical punch.
I'll take the tropical punch.
I'd like mojito, please.
I'll have hot chocolate instead, please.
Noted. And for the dessert, we'll serve the chocolate lava cake and New Year strawberry pudding. Both are freshly made by our pastry chef.
Sounds perfect. Could you confirm our booking?
Yes, miss. That's reservation for 3 people under name Miss Delisa on December 31st at 7:30 p.m. Outdoor seating with a special vegetarian option for Miss Adele.
Great. Thank you.
We're really looking forward to it.
My pleasure. We look forward to welcoming you for our New Year's Eve celebration. Have a wonderful day.